If you look at the past 20 years regarding the total growth of orange produce, and if you then divide that over the average growth, you always end up with around 4% growth per year of those assets. Just calculate it.
Real estate in the Netherlands has had an average growth of 13% per year over the past 30 years.
Over the past 30 years, if you look again over the past 20 years, it really depends on which assets, and you have to look at the whole of the Netherlands, not just the Randstad. You're talking about the Randstad now, the metropolitan areas. They have indeed shown that growth, but if you take the whole of the Netherlands, you're still only at an average growth of 4, I believe it's 4.6%. Yes, if you look at it realistically, which is also, once again, the real growth, then we both know what happened with the euro and the depreciation of that euro, at least before the expenditure. Then I think, not much has changed. Not much has changed. I still come, yes, Dirk also writes from the euro, from the guilder era, and that was just €1, 22 guilders. And if you take all that into account, then that ratio isn't really very skewed.
So I exchanged my guilder for 2.0371. For some inexplicable reason, I've kept in mind my entire life that this was the exchange rate at that moment. And yes, I don't completely agree with you, because you can literally see that house prices have doubled over the past decades. And that is indeed about securing the pensions of the baby boomers.